Archana and Lakshita are here to present the Automated Railway Crossing Project. The Automated Railway Crossing Project aims to improve safety and efficiency at railway crossings by implementing advanced technologies that can detect approaching trains and automatically control the crossing gates. The necessity of this project is due to the increasing numbers of accidents and at railway crossings caused by human error or misjudgment of approaching train speed or distance by road users or train drivers themselves, leading to fatalities or injuries to passengers on board trains or road users crossing railway tracks. Our system can significantly reduce the number of accidents by providing a reliable and accurate warning system to road users and train drivers, thus ensuring safer and more efficient railway crossings.
The applications of railway crossing systems are traffic management systems, industrial automations, agriculture, and smart homes and buildings, environmental monitoring, healthcare, and renewable energy systems. We have used machine learning. First, empty track to detect whether the train is coming or not and the track is empty. Then the system allows the train to pass easily. Second, animals on track. If animals present on track, the system will open their gates and wait for animals to move, and then the train continues to move. Third, freeway track. In this case, track is free and train can pass easily. Our system, also known as level crossing or grade crossing, in which it is designed to ensure the safety for both road users and railway users by controlling the movement of trains and the vehicle at a specific point where roads and railway intersect. Barriers and gates. These are physical barriers that lower and lift the control to access the vehicle to the crossing. They are as usually made up of metals and other strong materials and are electronically controlled.
Detectors. These devices are installed in the railway track to detect the train. When the train is detected, the crossing gates are activated. Control system. Control system is responsible for the entire process. Control system receives information from detector and manages gates, barriers and signals. When the train approaches, the detector senses the presence of the train and the control system activates to lower the gates. As the train crosses, the railway gates open again and let the traffic proceed.